Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group D, from Entrepreneurship Project on Multimedia Development course. So in this video presentation, we will explain to you about our progress in semester project for this course, which is we will make a product of learning media, and the first explanation will be delivered by my friend Muhammad Taufan Zafran. And for Zafran, time is yours.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Taufan Zafran, and the first material will be delivered by me. It's about school information. We decided to choose SMA Negeri 6 Kota Jambi as the object for our project. As you can see, the school information in this slide. Next slide. No? So these are the questions that we asked to the client, which is the English teacher from SMA Negeri 6 Kota Jambi. The first question is about media apa yang sering Bapak atau Ibu gunakan dalam kegiatan pembelajaran sekiranya? Adakah media pembelajaran yang dibutuhkan atau kurang dalam proses pembelajaran selama ini? Apakah siswa mempunyai buku pegangan semacam modul dan LKS dalam kegiatan pembelajaran? Adakah bentuk ketertarikan siswa? Misalnya ketertarikan dalam pembelajaran menggunakan gambar, video, dan sebagainya. Adakah kesulitan atau kendala yang dialami siswa dalam menggunakan media pembelajaran? Apakah sekolah menyediakan fasilitas teknologi untuk pembelajaran? Dan apa yang menjadi kendala Bapak dan Ibu dalam memanfaatkan teknologi dalam pembelajaran? Dan bagaimana solusi Bapak atau Ibu untuk mengatasi kendala tersebut? Next slide. And from the question before, we conclude we can identify the main problem from the question before. And the first is kurangnya ketersediaan alat bantu pembelajaran seperti sedikitnya proyektor. Di sekolah itu menyediakan proyektor, namun hanya beberapa kelas saja yang memang sudah ada proyektor. Di beberapa kelas lainnya harus bergantian dalam menggunakan proyektor. Dan media pembelajaran juga kurang update dan terlalu tradisional. Dan juga buku yang disediakan tidak begitu banyak jumlahnya, maksudnya di sini tidak semua siswa mendapatkan buku. Cepat bosan dengan media pembelajaran yang tradisional seperti buku. Sedangkan jika menggunakan video pembelajaran yang tersedia di internet, terkadang isi dari video tersebut kurang lengkap. Kalaupun lengkap, terkadang penyampaian dalam video tersebut kurang baik. Contohnya misalnya di video A mempunyai penjelasan yang baik. Hanya saja bahasa yang digunakan terkadang terlalu susah. Sebaliknya jika ada video yang menggunakan bahasa yang sudah gampang dimengerti oleh siswa seperti campuran bahasa Inggris dan Indonesia, namun penjelasannya kurang lengkap dan ada beberapa masalah lainnya. Jika menggunakan kelas virtual, terkadang siswa dan siswi tidak menyimak pembelajaran dengan baik. Ada yang masuk lalu ditinggal, ada yang masuk lalu membuka aplikasi lain, dan yang mana membuat fokus dari siswa dan siswi ini terpecah. Lalu ada pula masalah kuota. Yang kelima, kurangnya pengetahuan guru tentang teknologi, yang mana seharusnya dapat mempermudah pembelajaran. Kurang bisa memanfaatkan teknologi seperti membuat sendiri video pembelajaran yang menarik dan mudah dimengerti oleh siswa dan siswi, yang mana menyebabkan ketergantungan dari media pembelajaran yang disediakan di internet, seperti video pembelajaran yang kurang pas yang telah saya jelaskan tadi. Dan juga menurunnya motivasi belajar siswa dikarenakan kurangnya interaksi langsung terhadap guru. Next slide. And after we identified several problems that we were obtained from the results of interviews conducted with English teachers at SMA Negeri 6 Jambi City, we decided to make a learning video and learning module as a solution to this problem. and this was also a request from the teacher. Jadi guru bahasa Inggris tadi meminta secara personal kepada saya untuk membuat interesting learning video. I think that's all from my explanation, and the next explanation will be delivered by my friend.
Okay, thanks for the time given to me. So, my name is Sigil Fikri. I would like to explain our group activity. So, you see, our group member, especially from group D, are separated. Kami adalah grup yang terpisah jauh. Jadi, some of our member is stayed in Jambi City, and half of the group member is outside Jambi City. So, to solve that problem, one of our member do all the administration paper, for example, to have permission to the school target. As you see, the school target, namely SMA Negeri 6. Actually, that school is actually Taufan is the alumni of that school. So we think that hopefully we do all the administration paper more easily. So after done with all the permission and administration paper and all these kind of things, we discuss. We from the different, outside Jambi City member. We actually discuss with the members in Jambi City to what kind of questions that we need to ask in interviews with the teachers who are our clients. So since the member that outside Jambi City cannot do the interviews, since interviews face to face is more likely lebih mudah. So thanks to Taufan, he do all the interviews by himself. So actually, Taufan delivered the administration to target school and then wait the approval from that school. The problem that we are facing when we wait from the approval or permission from that school is that actually the paper has had some problems. For example, the writing atau penulisan from that letter, actually something is wrong. So the school target actually reviews the requests, but they ask Taufan to use the new paper, somewhat new, and then hopefully there is no error in the writing. So thanks to that, we actually have the approval, since we have the proper letter for that school. So, and in the 13th April in 2021, we Taufan doing the interview and collecting all the data. Since just like I said before, since face-to-face interview is more likely lebih mudah dan mengenal lebih baik with the school target, so we actually in that time, Taufan is doing all the interviews and collecting all the data. Next week after that, in 20th April in 2021, we design our teaching material product. Actually, it is about learning video and then learning module based on what Taufan explained before from the solved problems. So from the group activity, I think that's all our activity that already I have explained, yang sudah kami lakukan selama ini. The next material will be delivered by my friends. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Diki, for the explanation about the group activity from this project, a semester project in this course. And so the explanation is about the teaching material product. So as Diki said before, that we choose the learning video and learning module to make the product for this project in this semester. So in making the learning video, we choose a software, namely is the VideoScribe Sparkle. A VideoScribe Sparkle is a software for creating whiteboard animation automatically, launched in 2012 by British company, namely Sparkle. And about the learning module, uh, made by other friend. And the next is about the material, or the material that we deliver in our video and our learning module. The material that we design in this learning media product is material about the procedure text, which is taught in 11th grade of senior high school. And the reason we only focus on this one discussion or this material is because this is a request from the client. Jadi, mengapa kami hanya membuat satu jenis material atau satu jenis pembahasan, yaitu prosedur teks saja. Ini dikarenakan memang dari kliennya atau dari guru bahasa Inggris di sekolah SMA negeri 6 Kota Jambi tersebut meminta hanya membuat media pembelajaran tentang material itu saja, yaitu prosedur teks. Okay, I think that's all from material and product. In the next explanation, we will deliver by my friend.
Okay, thanks for the time. So from this, as you can see on the screen, this is about the product that we are gonna, we think that it is the most appropriate learning video that may be useful for our client. So you see, there are two types of procedure text, that is recipe and manual. So for that two types, we split our work, and my work actually deal with recipe procedure text. Actually, I done all the editing, all the dubbing, and the uploading for this procedure text, types of procedure text. As you see on the screen, this is the example of interface from Sparkle. This is actually not even half for our material, since it is not finished yet. So actually, I had to use another application, such as Adobe Photoshop, and then Adobe Premiere Pro, and then audio recorder, and also Format Factory. Since the rendering product from this application actually cannot be used in other application, so I and my friend decided to use Format Factory to change the format from this rendering to another format, that is MP4. So from that information, so I need to convert this rendering product to another application, that is Format Factory. And then after Format Factory, hopefully it is going to work in Adobe Premiere. In that Adobe Premiere, after I've done the dubbing and all the settings, the music related to audio kind of things, I transfer all the data to Adobe Premiere Pro again, and then hopefully that is going to work. So that is my future plan, to do all the videos learning from recipe procedure text. You see from the interface here, just like I said before, it is not even a half. So there is more I need to going to edit, and all the other things that I need to do in this kind of video. I think that's all that I can say from this product. It is so far, this is going, inilah yang sampai mana produk kami berjalan. And the next types of procedure text will be delivered by my friend.
Okay, thank you, Diki, for the explanation of your product. And this is the my product for this project, still with the procedure text, but it is the second type of procedure text, which is manual procedure text. As you can see on the image, there are some beberapa gambar animasi yang saya tambahkan untuk mendukung penjelasan yang saya berikan dari video tersebut. Animasi ini saya dapatkan dari berbagai sumber, diantaranya dari aplikasi video script Sparkle itu sendiri, dan juga dari beberapa dari internet. Dan as Dizky said before, I also add the voice or the narration for this video to support the explanation of the material in this video. Besides the writing explanation in this video, in this learning video, I mean, and I use another application. Saya menggunakan aplikasi lain untuk menggabungkan suara ini dengan video yang saya buat menggunakan video script Sparkle ini. And same with Wiki, this masih banyak lagi tahapan yang harus saya lalui untuk membuat video ini. Dan ini baru beberapa yang saya kerjakan. Okay, I think that's all from our presentation for our progress in this project semester for this course. Thank you for watching, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.